Hey guys, and welcome back to today's video. So I was able to get my hands on one of the new Jaclyn Hill palettes at my local Ulta. Now these retail for $15. There's 4 of them total, and basically they're the shades that didn't make it into her first palette, which if you don't have that was an amazing palette. So I actually got this for $12.50 because it was $15 at Ulta, but then you spend $15, you can get the $3.50 off. So I got a deal on the palette altogether. Now the palette that I did pick up was Bling, which is this berry and red toned palette. It was really the only one, maybe Dark Magic I'll pick up as well, but this was really the only one that really spoke to me as far as the shade range goes. So you do get 10 shades in here total in a range of mattes and metallics. Now starting at the top row you have Bling, which is a metallic, Hush Hush, which is a matte, Gem, Pizzazz, and Mystic. And then in the bottom row you start with Sparks, Glitz and Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, and then Berry Treasure. So every video that I have watched pretty much on YouTube on this palette has done a really smoky dark eye. So I wanted to go on the opposite end of that. I want to do an everyday kind of look, something that's easy and quick and it can get you out the door. So this is the look that I did create with the palette. A lot of people out there, they don't have the time to sit down and spend an hour just doing their eyeshadow in the morning before they have to start their day. So I wanted to show that even with this palette, for the affordable price of $12 to $15, that you can create really easy and quick just everyday looks. So I'm going to cut to a video clip of me applying the eyeshadow and how I did it, and I'll show you the shades that I used, and then afterwards, to wrap it up, I'll kind of give my thoughts on what I thought about this product and if it's worth your time taking that run to Ulta to purchase it. So if these are the kind of videos you like, please give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get into this video. So this is the look that I created with this palette. Now I only used about 4 shades. To start out in my upper crease, I went with Hush Hush, which is kind of like this light mauve matte shade. From there I went into Sparks, which is kind of like this burnt red here, and I put that on the outer part of the transition with the most product, and then I kind of feathered it in lightly towards the inner part of the lid, but I didn't go all the way into the inside because I didn't want to really darken my eye up. I wanted to keep it nice and bright. From there I took that metallic shade Bling and I put it all over the lid. I just went in right away with my finger. I didn't even try to use a brush or anything. I just find with metallic shades that that's the best application. So just to kind of give a little bit of smoke to my outer V, nothing crazy, just a little bit to kind of give it some definition, I went in with Mystic, which is the berry shade right there. and just lightly kind of put that on the outer part of my lid. So from there, I took this Makeup Revolution new felt tip black liner, and I did a really light line just to kind of make my lashes look a little bit thicker since I won't be applying falsies. And then after that, I went in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise for my mascara. It's my all-time favorite. You guys know I talk about it all the time on my channel. And I just wanted to point out, for an everyday look, at least for me, I don't do anything with the lower lash line but mascara, and every now and then I'll put maybe a brown liner in my waterline. But I don't do anything with smoking it out because, again, we want to keep it light, we want to keep it quick so we can just get out the door in the morning. So as far as the quality of this palette goes, it blended like an absolute dream. Every shadow was really creamy. I will say, you know, obviously the mattes, when I swatch them, they don't swatch as well, but I feel like that's with most palettes, like the mattes don't swatch the way that they would apply to your eye. So I don't really use that as a gauge on whether I'll purchase a palette or not. And as far as creating a quick, easy look, this palette definitely brought that to the table. This is going to go on my makeup table for everyday use. I'm going to maybe create a couple different looks. If I find other ones that I really like, maybe I'll do a couple more tutorials. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in seeing maybe some more vibrant looks, or if you want to see if maybe I can create another quick and easy look like I created today. So yeah guys, that about wraps it up. If you have a free second to run to Ulta, I definitely recommend this palette. I can't speak for the other ones. I might go out and get my hands on Dark Magic. That would be the only other palette that I might be interested in purchasing. So again, in the comments down below, let me know if you're interested in seeing me doing any other looks on these palettes, or if you're kind of YouTubed out with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Alright, well that about wraps it up for me guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, so literally as I'm sitting here filming this video for you guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for being a part of the family and showing me support. And also, don't forget to enter my giveaway for the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette for my BoxyCharm. That ends on the 24th, so you still have a couple days. So go ahead and like that video and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.